What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, actually this is going to be a quick update on what's going on, the action going on right now. This is what's going to be arriving at the shop right now at the moment. Let's go ahead and look. So here comes this aircraft, as y'all can see. ¿Por qué no lo quieren esquipeado? ¿Por qué no?
Porque no quieren bajar por el chepear.
¿Se cabe el hangar? Alright guys, well this aircraft did arrive earlier today, so look at this massive aircraft. It is beautiful, guys. So it is noon. Literally the sun's going down. But look at this massive aircraft, guys. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful aircraft. And let's go ahead and have a little walk around. So this is basically an update on the shop, what's been going on. See, we do have the Mooney in process right now in the Bonanza. It's finally done sanding. We're about to wash now with Adeline and Edge. So that's what's going on inside the shop at the moment. But this one did arrive, and also we did detail the Mooney. So it's basically done and ready to go. We just about to put the sealer on the windows, and what else do we need to do? Sealers on the windows and clean it up. Then it's time for it to go. But look at this massive, massive aircraft, guys. This is just a little quick walk around. So literally there's not a lot of lighting, so there's not a lot to show. But literally this is pretty much it, what there is to show. Literally on the video it looks super clean, but once you really get close to it in person, it's pretty messy. I'm not gonna lie, this actually the stripes are pretty smooth. It's not bad. Whoever did this paint job did a great job. But the white does look dull, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm pretty sure a good detail could probably bring the shine back, but it's super dull, guys. Super dull. But overall, decent shape. I don't know when was the last time they painted it actually. So it looks pretty decent from here, from far away. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this aircraft. I just showed y'all around. It was just a quick update on what's going on at the shop, what currently arrived. I'm just trying to keep updated because sometimes I could go like 2 days without uploading, 3 days without uploading, 4 days. But I'm trying to stay consistent with y'all, at least 2 videos a week at the most, or at the least, honestly. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.